When converting currency GBP to dollar, finding the best rate can make a big difference. Here are the top 5 easiest ways to check and get the best exchange rates for pound to dollar or dollars to pounds. Use multi-platform comparison apps. Apps like XE, Wise, and Revolut compare live rates instantly. Always refresh rates as pound to dollar shifts fast. Look for zero-fee transfers. Some services offer promotions where you get better British pound to USD rates with zero fees for first-time users. Time your transfers smartly. Weekdays, especially mid-morning US time, usually show stronger English pounds to dollars rates as markets are most active. Use premium services for high volume. Companies like OFX and Wise give better GBP to dollar rates if your amount crosses a certain threshold, typically $10,000. Negotiate directly. If transferring a large amount, directly call money transfer companies. Some offer special rates not listed online. Important tip: always double-check if the receiver details match exactly, especially account numbers and SWIFT codes, to avoid hidden deductions. Also, check if your US bank has tie-ups with UK banks. Some offer internal transfer discounts that save 1 to 2%. Securing the best English pounds to dollars rate is all about being smart, quick, and informed.